Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Minimal Lux. My name is Glenn. If you're new here, welcome. You may notice that my voice is a little raspy today. It is because I still have a lingering cold, so apologies. So as you can see, in my hand, I'm holding a paper bag from the Coach outlet store. I was just there this morning, Wednesday, February 25th. And as you may know, today is the day of the new drop that Coach is having. Store opened at 10, and when I got there around 9:20, there already was a long line of people waiting to get in. I really didn't have any particular thing in mind that I was interested in. To be honest, I was just there to look at the new stuff that were coming out. But while I was in line, this girl in front of me was carrying this particular bag, and I just fell head over heels in love with it. So this is the Coach Mini Rowan Crossbody bag in Signature Denim. I remember Coach released this bag the first time more than a year ago, but that bag was in the dark denim. This latest version though is in the faded denim, which I really like. I love the contrast of the faded blue denim with the vachetta leather handles and the hang tag. One drawback that I see in this bag is the light gold hardware, which I'm not particularly fond of. To be honest, it looks cheap to me. Just my opinion, of course, but I think I can live with it because I just love this bag. Another concern of mine about this bag is the size of it. I am not into mini bags. I've had them in my collection before, but as soon as I find out the bag isn't spacious enough to carry my daily essentials, I end up returning it. The bottom has no feet, but it has this strip of leather for additional protection. I like that the zipper goes past the top corner when opening the bag, which helps to make the opening wider when you put stuff in it. Now let's open up the bag and find out what the inside looks like. As you can see, the crossbody strap is also in the vachetta leather with the beautiful honey patina. It is a slim shoulder strap, about half an inch, I would say. The strap drop on the shortest setting measures about 22 inches, and the strap drop on the longest setting is about 26 inches. It has a total of 7 length settings. This strap seems pretty long. Since I'm only 5 feet 4 inches tall, I'll just probably put it in the shortest setting. It is nice to see that it is packed very well with tissue paper to keep the shape, which I do appreciate. The inside, as you can see, is lined in fabric. The back has the leather patch with the Coach Creed on it. On the other side, there are 2 slip pockets, which is big enough to fit a couple credit cards or ID. It says on the tag the style number is CDQ36, and the bag is made in Vietnam. This bag retails for $159 plus the California sales tax of 10.5%, which is $16.70. So I paid a total of $175.70. So now let me show you the dimensions of the bag. The length is about 7 inches. The height of the bag is about 5 inches. And the depth is around 4 inches. Now let's find out what fits in this mini bag. The first item I have here is a favorite of mine. It's the Longchamp Le Foulonné wide leather card holder in the color caramel. The second item is another one from Longchamp. This is the Longchamp Cure coin pouch with keyring in the color navy. And this one has my house keys, some cards, and my car key fob. The third item is my trusty Louis Vuitton Seppi coin purse in the monogram canvas. I love this thing. I've had it for almost 5 years, and I don't think I'll ever get rid of it. Fourth item is my pair of reading glasses. They are by Easy Peasy. Fifth item is my Tide to Go pen. This is a must-have when I'm out and about. Sixth item I have here is the Cream Sheen Glass Lip Gloss by MAC. Seventh item is a small container of gum. Eighth item is a compact mirror that I purchased from Miniso a few years back, and this fits perfectly in one of those credit card slots inside the bag. Ninth item is a travel toothpick in case I need it. 10th item is the Agostino Spader tinted lip balm. 11th item is a small tube of hand cream by L'Occitane. 12th item is a small bottle of hand sanitizer spray from Trader Joe's. And lastly, I have my old pair of sunglasses, and they would fit right on top of everything. And oh my gosh, I can't believe it. All my daily essentials fit perfectly inside this tiny bag. I am just blown away. What a pleasant surprise. I am so happy that it all worked out and I get to keep this cute bag. So now let me show you some odd shots. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe if you're a bag and small leather goods lover like me.